Hello my lovies, how is everyone today? So today we are in my bathroom, and a while ago I came across a problem with the faucet in my shower. It was pulling away from the wall and I didn't know what to do. I didn't really know who to go to, and then all of a sudden I thought about my mechanic, and I've actually been friends with my mechanic for a really long time. He's just been absolutely wonderful to me and taking care of my vehicle. So I actually just picked up the phone, gave him a call and said, hey, I've got this problem, what do I do? So it's really good to have those kind of friends. And you know what, maybe your girlfriend doesn't know how to do this, but maybe your brother or your best friend's sister knows how to do something and she can help you. So just whomever you can go to get information that can help you out. I just be friends with these people, open up your world and connect. It's a really good thing to do. So okay, so when he did tell me that he was able to help me, so he says, do you know what an Allen key is? And I said, yes, I know what an Allen key is. I actually have this little package of them right here, and it is this particular one that I was looking for. For whatever reason, that was the very first one that I had pulled out. Now, I'm going to actually remove the faucet from my wall right now, and I will show you as best as possible. Okay, so here is the faucet, and I'm going to bring this up nice and close. Hopefully it will, there we go. Right there is where your Allen key would go and fit into, and you can obviously turn it either way. One tightens it, one loosens it. So if you can reach that back little part there with your Allen key to loosen it, then you can actually either remove it or push it back in and then tighten it up again. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to move my camera right now so that you can see this whole process and hopefully learn something, and I'll feel good about being able to help you. Okay, so this pokey little thing here is basically all that is pushing out of the wall to bring you your water supply. So I'm just going to take the faucet, and place it right back on, and it just needs a little tiny bit of pressure to kind of push it back towards the wall. Now I've got my Allen key here, and I'm gonna see if I can figure out how to put that in. There we go. And then just twist it around so that it tightens it right back up again, and turn it this way to get a really good crank on there. Make sure that it really doesn't move. Oh, there we go. All right, so that is good and tight and connected to my wall now and my shower, and it brings the water out beautifully. I feel good about this situation, and I hope you learned something. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. I know I did when I first found out how to do that. Please give me a great big like. That helps me out a ton. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit the little notification bell. That will let you know the next time I upload a video. Follow me on Snapchat, on Twitter, on Facebook and Instagram. I keep those updated as much as possible. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.